Wonder what it might cost to light up your home this Christmas? Don't worry, we've made it very easy. With our Christmas estimator tool, you'll get a fast, personalized price page, price range in under a minute. Just click Get Started and tell us in a few details like the size of your home, the types of decorations you're looking for, any add-ons you're considering, things like roof lights, yard displays, trees, or even wreaths. As you go, your estimated price updates in real time, so you can plan your perfect display without surprises. Happy with your estimate? Click Schedule My Quote and we'll handle the rest. It's that simple. Go ahead, give it a try. Your best Christmas yet starts right here.
Hiring Bob and his company, I went through the vetting process for my farm here for Christmas decorations. Bob Carr and his team came out, they walked my wife and me through everything step by step. Came through and said, itemized everything for us, clear, transparent, showing us what we get. And on top of that, they knocked it out of the ballpark with their vision, bringing it to life of what my wife's ideals were. If you're thinking about hiring a company to do your Christmas lights, there's no one else I would trust more than Bob Carr and his team, because the job you did here is something everyone needs to see that you can bring to light. Because by far, Bob, you've given me the best experience out of all the home service businesses, contractors I've ever dealt with. Thank you, Bob, and your team. It's been amazing.